If you don't have a lot of space in your laundry room, your utility room, or wherever you plan on washing and drying your clothes or other textiles, you're going to need to get creative, and stackable washers and dryers are a really excellent space-saving option to help solve this problem. So today we're going to talk about the best stackable washers and dryers, and I'll break each of these down by their features and benefits so you can see for yourself which might be the best option for you in your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of them that you might be interested in, and if there are any special deals or discounts on any of these, I'll include that in the description as well. What some people don't know is that almost any front-load washer or dryer is stackable if you buy a stacking kit separately, although those that are specifically marketed as stackable usually come with all the necessary hardware. But don't worry, we looked at all sorts of combinations to try and identify what might be an ideal choice for you. So the best stackable washer overall is the GE Smart front-load steam washer, and it's a really exceptional choice, but it doesn't come with stacking hardware, but it is stackable with a dryer of the same width and depth, or even smaller, and that's assuming you buy a suitable stacking kit. It has a range of programs, including those for towels, activewear, and bulkier items, and you can set the temperature separately. For instance, you might want to usually wash your activewear on a cold temperature setting for environmental reasons, but occasionally you want to give it a hot wash to get rid of any of those built-up odors, and since the temperature isn't built into the program, you can easily choose which way you want to go there. You also have separate settings for the level of soiling, so the machine knows whether your clothes need a deep clean or a light wash, and for a degree of spin, from no spin to max. You can also add steam to help get rid of stains, plus there's even a stain type selector for the most optimum results cleaning your clothes. It has just under a 5 cubic foot capacity, which is perfectly sufficient for families, has a sanitize setting that kills 99.9% of bacteria, and a time saver cycle that takes just 37 minutes. So if you're looking for the best stackable washer overall, the GE Smart front load steam washer is likely going to be a good option for you. The best stackable dryer overall was the Panda portable compact laundry dryer. And if you don't have a huge amount of clothes that you need to tumble dry, this is a really fantastic option, and it might be because you prefer to line dry whenever the weather allows it, or you have a lot of delicate clothes that can't go into the dryer, and because it's compact in size, you can stack it on top of a compact washing machine or even a larger machine. And if you have the right type of stacking kit, it only needs to be positioned somewhere it can be vented, either through a proper dryer vent or even through a window. Dryer has a range of handy settings, allow you to choose from various heat settings, standard or eco mode as far as the drying time goes, and it has an optional sensor dry mode that will shut the dryer off automatically when it senses that the clothes are dry. And sensor modes are hit or miss for some clothing. For instance, if you got sweatpants with thick elastic waistband, the dryer may shut off when the legs and pants are dry, but the waistband's still wet. Happened to me so many times. So it's nice that you can switch that sensor mode off and just let it cook your clothes and make sure that they're dry. It can handle up to 13 pounds of clothes. It's got a convenient see-through door so you can check on your items and see what's going on, and you can manually dry it for up to 200 minutes. So if you're just looking for the best stackable dryer overall, the Panda portable compact laundry dryer is probably going to be an ideal choice for you. The COSTWAY compact laundry dryer is ideal if you're on a budget and you're trying to get some more bang for your buck, because not everyone wants a full-size dryer, and the COSTWAY compact laundry dryer is a really excellent alternative to the bulkier models. You're not going to find a washer of a similar size, but you can stack it on top of a larger front-loading washing machine using the correct hardware. With the option to set the temperature to either high or low, you can dry natural materials more quickly with the high setting, and stick the low to protect synthetics that might shrink or melt at too high a temperature. It's got a 10-pound capacity, which might not sound like much, but it's ideal for households with 1 or 2, or anyone who uses a dryer occasionally. You can choose to dry your clothes for anywhere up to 200 minutes, plus there's an air dry setting to freshen clothes that can be sitting around for a while in case you just don't get around to it the night before and want to wait till the morning. It also has reverse tumble action, which helps prevent tangles, 3-stage filtration, and it actually runs relatively quietly. So if you're looking for a more budget value item, the COSTWAY compact laundry dryer is one you might want to consider. The Electrolux white front load laundry pair is the best stackable washer and dryer combo set. And if you just want to make sure that your washer and dryer are going to definitely stack correctly, well, one way to do it is to buy a set that's listed as stackable. And the Electrolux white front load laundry pair is just that. It includes the Electrolux washer and dryer. The washer has a 4.5 cubic foot capacity with smart boost and perfect steam technologies, both of which are designed to help remove more stains effectively. The dryer is gas powered with an 8 cubic foot capacity, and it has a 15-minute fast dry setting for when you need an outfit in a hurry, and has a steam setting to reduce wrinkles. Both the washer and dryer are of excellent quality, so it also has a Lux Care system on both the washer and dryer to help keep clothing from wearing in the wash, has a wide range of settings for all your needs, and it has accurate sensor drying technology. So for the best stackable washer and dryer set, the Electrolux white front load laundry pair is likely one that might be good for you. And last, the best stackable combo washer Washer Dryer is the LG WM3998 HBA front load washer dryer combo. Busy households can benefit from buying this LG unit and stacking a dedicated dryer on top. On days when you only have a little to wash, you can set the LG to both wash and dry your clothes. On laundry days when you can hardly see over the top of the pile, you can speed the process up by using your washer dryer to just wash clothes and a separate dryer to dry them. This gives you the best of both worlds. When in dryer mode, the LG uses a condenser rather than a vent. This means you don't need to have a dryer vent hole or conveniently positioned window. The water in your clothes is evaporated into steam and then condensed back into water again, where it's collected into a container, and you just empty the container out after every load or two. It's really just that simple. It also has a capacity of 4.5 cubic feet, 6 different wash motions to help clean clothes effectively, and you control your appliance via a very cool LG ThinQ app. So the best combo washer dryer is the LG WM3998 HBA front load washer dryer combo, and if that's what you want to do and have it all in one, then that is one you definitely want to consider. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up, as you know I always appreciate it. A good digital pat on the back feels oh so nice. And just a reminder that I'll include links to each of these products down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of them that you might be interested in. Also, let me know any comments or questions you have, as I always love getting to answer as many of those as I can. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.